I appreciate you stopping me. You're right. She said she has something.
What's up, guys? We're back with another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty, and I'm here today on the beautiful campus of CSU LA. Today, I will be asking the students of CSU LA some questions about intestinal health. All right, what is your name and where are you from?
My name is David, and I'm from LA.
I'm Adrian Rodriguez, and I'm from Los Angeles.
My name is Leslie, and I'm from LA.
Chargers or Rams?
Rams, for sure.
Rams.
Chargers.
You're the first Chargers. Everybody has been Rams all day.
I just went to see them, and I loved how, motivated they were. LA, go LA.
I love that, loyal Chargers fan. True or false? The bacteria in your stomach act as a second brain.
False?
True.
True.
Correct. It's true.
Interesting.
It's crazy. Your brain and gut have their own specific hotline via your nervous system. Your gut bacteria can impact everything from moods to sleep to psychiatric disorders. Not only that, but treatments for mental health issues also tend to improve intestinal problems, so medicines or gut bacteria could really help treat those in the future. Number 2, which of these can cause constipation? A, ignoring the need to poop, B, a virus, or C, eating too many berries?
I feel like all of them, can't they? I feel like they all kind of...
I would say A.
With A.
I'm going to say probably ignoring not going to the restroom.
Correct. This is actually because when you resist the urge to go, you push the poop back into your intestines. Normally, poop has some water in it to prevent it from getting stuck, but when it goes back up, the rest of that water gets taken out, and that causes constipation. Number 3, this is for all the marbles. You nervous at all? How you feeling?
I'm chill. Yeah, I'm
good.
Yeah.
Cool, calm, collected. What percent of your immune system is just in your stomach? A, 30%, B, 50%, or C, 75%?
Can you repeat that question?
I'll say 50%. Is that right?
I think I would go with B, 50%.
C?
C is correct. It's actually C, 75%. And this is because of all these outside things that you take from the outside world, food and whatnot, else bacteria ends up in the stomach when you eat.
That makes sense.
So you are a winner. How does it feel to win today?
That was good. I wasn't confident at all.
You came in and you knocked him down. Yeah, So this is an example of why you should, every once in a while, you should just try Street Smart and see what happens.
For it. Go for it.
Go for it. Here goes your cash prize.
Thank you so much.
Oh, of course.
Thank you for stopping me. I appreciate you stopping me. You're right.
Yeah.
She said she has something.
You're happy we talked you into it.
Yes, thank you so much.
All right, this is Adrian from Los Angeles, and he just played the Street Smart Challenge.
Thank you, Dherbs.
Thank you, Dherbs.
Thank you, Dherbs.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.